very welcome to this channel. You are very welcome to this channel. Today we are going to talk about 13th chord. 13th chord. 13th chord. 13th chord. Today we are talking about 13th chord. Sometimes you hear people say 13th chord, 9th chord, 7th chord, major 7th and all those things. But actually, sometimes if they don't teach you, you get lost. So today I'm going to teach you what is 13th chord. What is 13th chord? We shouldn't waste time. Let's go. So if you can say I was playing some song, but before you can play a song without 13th chord, you need to understand something. Yeah, so the 13th chord starts from your do is do. We are playing key F. Key F. So do re mi fa so la ti do la so fa mi re do. Do re mi fa so la ti do la so fa mi re do. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1. You see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1. So I'm going to teach you how to get your 13th chord. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You see, 9 10 11 12 13. So this is the 13th. La, the la is the 13th chord. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. 13th chord. So this is the 13th chord. La. So how to form it as a chord? How to form it as a chord? I hope you get it. Your la is the 13th chord. The la is the 13th chord. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. 13. So this is the 13th chord. This is the 13th chord. So how to form it? How to form it? You see, if you play your do, you add the la. This is the 13th chord. Do mi so la. F major 13th. F 13th. Do F, your 13th chord. F. You see, F major 13th. Major 13th chord. This is the 13th. You see, we have major 7 and minor 7. Major 9th and minor 9. This is the major 13th chord. You see, the minor. No, we shouldn't talk about the minor because I'm going to confuse you. So let's talk about the major. So this is do mi so la. But one thing is, if you want to play a song with this chord, and sometimes playing the chord like this, you see, oh wait to me. You see, sometimes it's nice, but I'm going to teach you some techniques. If you play do mi so la, leave the so. You are going to leave the so. You see, yes. So you get it simple. Do mi. So you get it simple. Do mi so, do mi la, do mi la. So you leave the so. But if you want to add the so, that is up to you. If you know you can play it very faster with this kind of 4 chord, it's up to you. Do mi so la. You can play la so la do mi. You see, yes. You can play yes. So la do mi. But if you want to go faster with the chord, then play do mi la. Oh wait to me. Wait there's a basso. was using the 13th chord. Do, mi, la. I was using the 13th chord. You see, you get it? I was using the 13th chord. So when to me, you saw the way I played. Oh wait to me no do. So the do. You see, where they go too far, they come to me. You go to me. Oh nee, they come to me. They go to so. They come to the 13th chord. Did you get it? So the 13th chord, this is how to play your 13th chord. Do, mi, la. It's F major. We are playing F major. So the F major is do, mi, so. But you add your 13th chord. But for you playing it very simple and move faster, you can leave the so and play the la. Do, mi, la. You see? So you can move very faster with the 13th chord if you leave the so. But if you know you can go faster with this kind of 4 chord, then it's up to you. It's easy for you to go. This is the 13th chord. So if you play moving faster, at least it will delay you. Yeah, I've tried it several times. So making it easier, because some people don't know how to apply the 13th chord. So they hear people playing the 13th chord and they find it difficult to play because they count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So they thought they are going to play all the keys. No, it's wrong. It's totally wrong. It's totally wrong. So the 13th chord is you play your do, mi, la for F. Oh wait to me no. Media sabasu. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for watching. But please subscribe for more videos. Bye.